Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you a cool do-it-yourself project using a hand jigsaw. Let's begin disassembling it. You need to drill 2 holes in the jigsaw's frame. Now you need to thread the wire through the hole . On one end of the wire, solder a terminal with a hole. In the handle of the jigsaw, you also need to drill a through hole. Now reassemble everything using the arc. You need to put a textilite washer and a piece of heat shrink tubing on the screw. Insert the screw and put on another textilite washer. Then attach the terminal with the wire and a piece of nichrome wire. Insert the washer and tighten the nut. Thread the wire through the handle and then another small piece with a round terminal. Attach the handle to the arc and connect the nichrome wire to the second piece of wire. No textilite spacers are needed here. Now you need to solder the connector to the wires and insert it into the handle. Well, the homemade device is finished, now let's move on to testing it. Connect a 12-volt power supply to the connector. And now, with this homemade device, we can cut different numbers or shapes out of foam. You need to choose a power supply so that the nichrome wire doesn't get red hot because the foam will melt too much. The homemade device works well and could be useful for others. This way, you can easily cut numbers or shapes out of foam. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, share it with your friends, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the bell. Thank you all for watching, and goodbye. Subtitles created by